This is the elevator here at the Dick's Sporting Goods store, which used to be Galyan's at Woodbridge Center Mall, Woodbridge, New Jersey. One. Schindler. Cab view. It's got a burned out light. It's your basic Dick's Sporting Goods elevator. I think the one at Freehold's a little bit nicer than this. Take it for one more ride. I want to hear that motor again. 2. One. Here's your lantern right there. This was, I believe, installed in 2003. As you can tell, it used to be low-pitched. I would have loved to have ridden this with the low-pitched chimes. Ring the bell. And that's it.